welcome back to my channel. For today's Mel's Foodie Adventures, I am at Miyahara, and I was actually here last time I was in Taiwan, and I also made a video last time I was here, and I thought I would make another one since I'm back again. And this is in Taichung, by the way, and this is like a really popular ice cream spot in Taichung. And last time I was here with my sister and we shared this, and with my dad, but today I only got 3 scoops, or no, I got 2 scoops today. They just added another scoop. So this one is mango, and this one's green tea, and this one I have no idea what it is because it was like their extra one. And then they also have strawberries here and like brown rice crisps, cheesecake, and a pineapple cake. And I think this is a chocolate waffle. And next door to this ice cream place is like the Harry Potter bookstore, and it's not actually a Harry Potter bookstore. They have like snacks in there and stuff, but I just call it the Harry Potter bookstore because that's what it looks like. Okay, let's try it. It's like so hot that this is gonna be good. Okay, the mango one. Let's try this. It's like a sorbet, and the mango flavor is like really potent. Oh, so nice. It's so hot right now. Oh, it's like really refreshing. Let's try this one. The green tea. I love green tea. Ooh, that's good. Tastes exactly like a Japanese matcha green tea. Except it's like a little icy. I like the crunch of the brown rice crisp. Okay, let's try this. I don't even know what it is. They just gave it to me. I wonder what it is. I have no idea. What is this? I wish I saw them do it, but tastes kind of like chocolate chips in there with, I have no idea. Looks good. Alright, let me try the cheesecake with the green tea. I feel like that would be good. It's so creamy. Oh yeah, that's good. I guess this is it for my Mel's Foodie Adventures. I'm gonna go finish this. Thank you guys for watching today's video, or thank you guys for watching this video. Have another one. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave it in the description box below. I got a lot of different flavors in that one because I was with more people, so we could eat it all. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! And look at all these people eating their ice cream on the side of the store. And there's more down there. Is it good?